Alright, Mitch, here's your 427 small block Ford. Get stripped in its foundation. Got a set of AFR heads on it. Got a custom grind hydraulic roller. Got a Eagle scraping rods, custom DSS Pistons. Got that pro-am manifold on it. Got your valve cover with your front end, you said. Some stuff on it. Go in there and make a run. See if she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,600, 465 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 534, peak torque power 586, rated 575, so it's good. What I'm going to do is pull the pipe back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple of other things here. See, if you're in, you find this thing that looks like a credit card, USB card. It's full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, some other specs. Engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code, and that'll take us more other tech stuff. Have a great day.